Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate conversions to TikTok Pixel step by step clearly. To transfer affiliate conversions to TikTok Pixel, begin by logging into your TikTok Ads Manager account. Navigate to the Assets tab on the left sidebar. Select Event from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create button to start a new event setup. Choose Website Event as your event type. Enter your website URL where the affiliate conversions take place. In the next prompt, define the event type as a conversion. Select Custom Conversion to specify the details of your affiliate conversions. Define the conversion name that clearly reflects the action you want to track. Set the conversion value if applicable, which can help in analyzing your return on investment. Now, grab your Pixel ID from the Pixel settings in your TikTok account. Use this Pixel ID in your affiliate platform to track conversions accurately. Follow the affiliate platform's guidelines to insert the Pixel code into the conversion event section. After inserting the code, return to TikTok Ads Manager to confirm the event setup. Test the tracking by generating a conversion through your affiliate link. Monitor the data being sent to the TikTok Pixel in your Ads Manager to ensure accurate tracking. Finally, analyze the conversion data over time to optimize your campaigns effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.